guys, how you doing? It's Jihad here. Just wanted to touch base. Yesterday I actually met up with a friend of mine, good friend, and we were both talking, and she was telling me, hey, I'm looking forward to do a podcast with you. Your energy is really great, which that made me feel awesome. But one of the best compliments she gave me, and a lot of people don't give to each other, is I believe in you. And I'm going to reflect back to that, because as I look at past videos, for example, from Pitbull, he had put that, people don't believe in you when you're an adult. They believe in you when you're a kid because you're walking, you're crawling, and you're going forward. But when you're doing something for yourself or something for the community, and then you have someone that believes in you, it kind of helps. And not the fact that she just met me, we just started collaborating, we started working, and the fact that came out of her mouth versus my other friends, my other true supporters as well, that come and tell me, hey, I believe in you, what you're doing is a great thing. Now, this is something I want you guys to keep in mind, because as you guys do stuff in life, you want people to believe in yourself as much as you believe in yourself. It's just an extra boost of confidence that's going to give you. So I just want to shoot this video out there just to give you guys a quick little tip. Nothing out of this world. Just remember, believe in yourself.